Here is the new Dewalt Stubby Chubby Box from China. You will lose your actual mind over all the limitless snack storing and tool carrying around possibilities contained in this tight little but tall toolbox, made of most likely lead containing plastic, assembled by small children in China. Watch your cares melt away as you dominate on the job site and/or home project situationship like you boss. Look at you now, you true boss bitch of a studman, you Milwaukee sucks.
I'm back. I'm back. Okay, listen, regardless of popular demand, I'm back. My voice is a little hoarse. I got the Chinese virus, the virus from China. I got the virus from China. Look at this, check this. Straight off of the, can I see COVID? I don't know. Straight off of that, voice a little hoarse. I got something special for you today. I got something special. We talked about the BBC. Yeah, we did. I got a smaller.
Oh, look, another butt shot.
Look at this. You need something a little more chubby, a little more stubby? This is what I'm talking about right here. It is the ToughSystem 2.0 Deep Compact Toolbox. It's a deep compact toolbox.
Every real man uses the Dewalt Stubby Chubby Box from China. Let the Stubby Chubby Every Real Man Stubby Chubby BBC Toolbox from China. Real man, every Stubby Chubby BBC.
It comes with surprises inside. Watch. Just check it. Hold on. Little butt shot here.
Oh, look, another butt shot.
Look at this. Inside of this thing, of course, you got the nice yellow rubber. You got to have a good rubber in BBC. Keep the water out. You got a little thing here. You can put snacks in there. You can put anything in there. It comes with little dividers. Look at this. Check it. Watch this. Look at inside there. Look at, you can move them around. You can take it out. You can compartmentalize. You know, guys are good at compartmentalizing. It's got little, you can modularize it. Is that a word? Modulate? It's modular. Let me tell you something. Customizable. If you don't need such a big BBC, this case gets me excited. Just like with T-Stack, they give you a spot where you can put a little name tag in there. You pull this out. See that? It moves. You can flip it around. You just flip it around. Write whatever you want on that. Okay? It says Dewalt. Okay? ToughSystem 2.0. Look at this. You can put snacks in there. You can put treats. You can put whatever you want in there. You can put 2 different types of things because they're all going to run together. You can even pull this centerpiece out and you got, look at that. You got a full thing there. You can put your Lunchables in there. Whatever you want, really. You can snap it on top of these other cases. Okay?
Buy this Dewalt Stubby Chubby Box containing lead from China and your troubles will go away. Women will want you. Men will want to be you. Milwaukee is for chumps. Don't be a pussy. Dewalt.
The ToughSystem 2.0 cases onto each other. You snap this one on, but in a different way. And it's on there. Look at this. Little flippy. Your little flippy. Little flippy clippy. Check it. Right in there. And it's in there. You can even snap it onto, it snaps onto these cases. You can even snap it onto the double cases. It snaps onto the triple drawer cases. You can snap it on the big chubby stubby, big chubby. You can snap it onto these big fat cases. You can snap it onto your DXL case tray roller. You can snap it onto your DXL rolling base.